manometer to pull a vacuum on the refrigerator. Yes. The high pressure one does not work, but it does not matter, because here we are not going to use it. And well, here are the hoses, look at them. It is for gas. R134. R22. R404 and R502, also R12, yes. This is my manifold that I use for refrigerators only. And the coolers that carry these types of gases. Yes. Also for air conditioners with R22. There are few air conditioners with R22, but sometimes there are, so it must be used. Well, to make a vacuum, what needs to be done, first of all, is to place. This is the blue hose. It would be. No, I had a problem with my blue hose. I had to change. Well, I didn't get, so I put this one. So, this one we are going to simulate. What is the blue hose of the low valve? And this would go here. To the compressor. The pressure gauges, both valves are closed, right? Well, now there is, to plug in the vacuum pump. Here is the pump. Here is its service valve, where the yellow hose goes. Here goes the hose. From the middle of the pressure gauge, yes. We place it there. We plug in our pump, and we start to draw a vacuum. We turn on the pump.
Abrimos la válvula.
We wait for it to reach -30. About 10-15 minutes approximately. We do it to remove all the moisture from the environment inside of the refrigerator. We check that they are good here. We check that the valve is well closed. Of high. I've been going for more than 2 times, yes. So I am going to do. We open the gasolines. This is to prevent the water vapors from condensing inside the pump. And thus they decrease the performance of my vacuum pump, right? So we leave it open for a little bit, so that all the steam comes out. That is inside of the refrigerator, water vapor, or some oils that we do not know that may still be inside. And then we close it. This older hose, remember, it is the blue hose. We first closed the low valve, which was the only one that was open. And then we turn off the pump. Yes. So the process is first to close. Well, the valve. And then only after turn off the pump. Well, there it is at -30. We are going to wait about 15-20 minutes more at least, that it maintains. Let's see if it maintains the vacuum. And if not, it keeps leaking. Well, my people, look. Half an hour passed. It is still there, -30 psi. So, well, we can verify that there are no leaks. So, now what we are going to do is go on to break the vacuum. Charge the refrigerant. As I was telling you, this refrigerator takes gas 134A. 134A. Well, then we are going to put that gas. Here I have the little bottle. There I have a video comparing this type of adapter. Or valve with this one, yes. Between the two, well, I prefer this one because gas does not come out until I open the valve for it. And on this one, as soon as you put it on, the service hose, gas is already coming out. So well, I am going to put this one then. I move it to the other side. I place the service hose. And well, there we are going to open the gas. Well, there the service hose filled up. Notice that still, the pressure gauge is in vacuum. The service hose is full of gas. So I am going to loosen here, so that the air that was inside the service hose does not enter my system, yes. You saw that we had air inside the service hose. The gas that we opened here, the valve pushed all the air upwards. And we are going to let a little bit of air out through here, of gas through here, which will come out first gas with air, right? Okay, there came out gas with air. So now what we have to do is break the vacuum. We open the low valve. And we charge first with the engine off up to about 30 psi approximately. And then we turn on the compressor. We are going to charge up to 20, so that our compressor does not start working so heavily. There it is. 20 psi is fine. Then we put our refrigerator to work. Now we are going to plug it in. We pass everything underneath. Well, there you can see how it immediately starts to go down. The pressure. Because the compressor started to work, right? We are going to slowly charge the gas. If we had to charge it up to 30 psi, it was fine. Notice that I am charging in gas phase. This refrigerant can also be charged in liquid phase by weight, because it is a refrigerant. That it is not a mixture of gases, but rather that it is a single gas, right? Well, there we continue charging slowly. We open, we close. We leave it a little bit of rest time. Well, Meanwhile, we are seeing the amperage. Look, when I release, guess, the amperage of the compressor increases. I close the valve, and the amperage remains there at 0.15, 0.17. Notice that in the characteristics of this refrigerator or fridge, it tells us that it is cyclopentane and the amperage current says 1.15 amps. Well, we will leave it there at 1 or 2 psi more or less. So that is going to be the working pressure of our refrigerator. The thick pipe freezes on you. There they are going to have to take out a little bit of gas. Your refrigerator is going to work at 1 psi more or less. Well, friends, that is all. I hope the video has been useful to you. Please share and subscribe to my channel so you keep seeing videos like this. Any doubt you have with your refrigerator, ask me about it. Thank you very much. In the comments, I'm going to leave you the link to each of the tools that I bought, and that way you help me also to keep creating videos like this. Best regards.